Good. It's nice to see you all. We are now live on Facebook. It's a pleasure to see you all. I hope that you all are doing well. Um, Now I'm gonna leave that live stream. Brother Marcus, hopefully you have the live stream all sorted. I'm gonna leave. There's no need for music on your end. We have music on our end. We're streaming music. Can you all hear my music? Just give me a yes in the chat. Just give me a yes in the chat. Fantastic. Is it too loud for anybody? Is it too loud? Oh, perfect, perfect. All right. So we have some music and looks like we're getting ready to trade. So we're all sorted. We don't have Mrs. Jera today. It's just me and Mr. T. So you're stuck with us today.
That's right.
All right. We're gonna get.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, Mr. T. You go ahead. I was just gonna say we're gonna get started now.
Yes. Welcome everyone. We'll go to QQQ. We're going to be trading QQQ. We're coming right out the gate. We'll be buying a put on QQQ, the 622 put, which is trading right now at 56 cents, the premium. We're just waiting for to pull the trigger on this. I'll try to, these things happen so fast that sometimes it's hard for me to get in a position, but I'll do my best to make sure that everybody understands what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the QQQ, the 622 put, just waiting for the perfect time to jump into that position. Okay, 622. Want to make sure that we do it right. Get in and get out. I'm not in yet. Got to be careful how I phrase that. Okay. You can see the premiums kind of all over the place. Okay. Okay. Now you're probably wondering, okay, I'm getting in right now. Okay. I had a chance to get out, but I'm too slow. Oh, goodness. I think I'm out now. Okay. I'm in and I'm out. Okay. Oh, that was nice too. Okay. So that's our first trade. If you're still in this position, it's moving fast. So let me see. Let me keep up with the price. Let me look at the were you able to get in, Mrs. Crystal?
I got in, but I'm still stuck in this position.
Okay. What is your price on this position?
My price was at 73. I got in at 73.
Okay.
I'm trying to get out at 74.
Okay. You're still in a good position. It still doesn't, there's no indication that it's going to turn around. I got in at 70 and got out at 73.
Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah, I was a little distracted. I didn't hear you when you said you got in until after the fact.
You should be pretty close right now. Yeah, it's pushing down on this. Let me see.
It's got filled a while ago, yeah.
Yeah. So
I didn't even notice when I got in and out. Okay.
All right.
There we go. We made some money.
Do we have anybody still in the position? Because I can call it going down too. If you're still in a position, I can keep you up to speed on the direction as best to my ability. Because these things, this is QQQ. QQQ moves very fast. Do we have anybody still in the position, Mrs. Crystal?
Yeah, somebody said they're still in it. They have two people still in it at least.
Okay, well, we'll track it and see what.
Noemi and Sandra still in it, but they should be really well up now because I got in for 74. It went up to as high as 82.
Yeah. So remember, when you leave money, if it's important that you determine what type of trader you are. We're scalpers. So we got in, we got out, we've already made our money. We're waiting on the next position. If you're still in this position, there's no indication that it's turning around anytime soon. Now, anytime soon with QQQ is relative because it could turn around at a moment's notice. But so far, it's still going down.
Yeah.
Okay.
My trade was a little bit late, so I caught it on the way down, but then it went right back up to my for me to be able to sell, and way past that too. It was just
Good.
so fast. I was
Yeah.
looking up and oh my gosh, you can't multitask when you're doing QQQ. It's just not gonna work.
Yeah. QQ is very fast. It's 73 right now, 71. So looks like it's about to turn around here.
Mm-hmm.
No signal yet of a turnaround, but this is for those of you who are still in this position. This will help you determine whether you're all the money trader or whether you're a scalper. Now we're working on the 1 minute chart. So the 1 minute chart has a lot of noise in it. And what that means is it's going to be doing a lot of up and down. It's not a 5 minute chart. It's not a 15-minute chart. It's the 1 minute chart. A perfect chart for scalpers. Okay. Still no indication that it's going to turn around and go green and go bullish. It's 75, so you're still up way up where excuse me, you're up further than I was when I got out. Me and Mrs. Crystal. It's 82. It's 79.
Oh yeah.
Still no indication of a turnaround. We have not seen the pre-trigger yet, so that's good.
Is there anybody stuck in this position? Well, they shouldn't be stuck. They're up,
Yeah,
right?
they're up. It's
Unless they
hard.
try to double trade on the same thing, like get in, get out, and get in again at a higher price.
Yeah, chasing trades, chasing the
Yeah.
same trade. I can't tell you not to do that, but that doesn't make any sense to me personally. Now we're looking at 87. So I got out at 73. So if you're still in it, you're riding a wave now. You're riding the downside. This is what we call all the money.
Yes.
So it's 90 now. So it's really taken off. So I know this is what people signed up for. I know they love the all the money trades.
Yeah.
Todd.
Team leads, if your people can't get into these signals, make sure that they're logged into the proper Zoom account. That's the only way they can get in. If they have paid and you know they've paid, let them log in with the Zoom account that they've paid with. That's the only way they can get in. They can't get in while logged out. They can't get in while logged into another Zoom account. You all will have to let them know.
80.
This thing really did go crazy.
Yeah, it did. It went as high as 90. Looks like we're going to see some bullish wicks here, though. 75, 74. So this is QQQ. When QQQ moves in your favor, it's really a wonderful trade. If it moves against you, it's not so wonderful. So just be prepared for that if you're still in this position. 71, now it's below where I got out.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. 75, now it's back above where I got out. So this is what it's all about when determining what type of trader you are. I just got a signal on Forex, but I'm going to leave that alone for right now. I don't have time to do Forex right now. Okay, looks like we could be seeing our first pre-trigger here. I'm going to go ahead and call this a pre-trigger right now. Okay. 69. So you can see it's below where I got in. Okay, so now it's 66. So that pre-trigger was money. Now, if you're still first, let's see how it plays out before we get our first confirmed trigger. That could happen right here. First trigger 70. So that's our first trigger. Our first trigger, pre-trigger was right here at 10:09. Trigger was at 10:10. And now you're kind of out there. It's trading at 75, which is higher than where I got in. So this is one of those positions that if you're still in it, you really have to, once again, really zero in on what type of trader you really are. Is there anyone still in this position?
Checking the chat. I'm not seeing anybody who's still in this position.
Okay, good. So I'm going to go ahead.
Are we staying here or are we moving?
Well, we're gonna stay here until another signal opens up. So I'm assuming that everybody made money on that trade. I don't. That was hard not to make money on that trade. That was a pretty easy trade. Okay. What did the two ladies get out at? The ladies that were in the position, were they able to capture that 90%
Uh,
premium?
let's see. Who was Noemi and well, Sandra? You all were in. What did you all get out at? Noemi and Sandra, what did you all get in and out at? Uh, somebody said in 56 out 60.
Okay. Wow.
Noemi, did you get in at 73? Well, what did you get out at? Out 81. She got out at 81.
Nice, nice,
Very
nice,
good.
nice. Yeah, very good. Absolutely. Okay. Let's see.
Darlene got in at 70 out of 83.
Nice. Very nice.
Joanne, I can't be a DJ. I just have a playlist. Apologies. It's gonna have to muscle through this song and we'll make it to the other side. It'll calm down. I know I've been listening to it myself. Yeah. It's gonna calm down in a minute. That's some white label music we've got for our background. I have to filter it. Yeah, I'll filter through it a little better next time. 70 to 85, Melva. Baron Hall got 69 to 79.
Good, good, good. You guys are really
Mm-hmm.
rolling the
Made a
dice.
14%, 14%, 70 to 85. I'm making some money. 70 to 74, Mrs. Joanne.
Okay. We're just going to stick with QQQ and hopefully we'll get another trade out of QQQ. Apple is set up for a call, but it's not. It's kind of scary. Apple is very bearish right now, so I don't want to. I want to maintain the profits for today. I'm not trying to throw away the profits that I made already. So,
Right.
but that was good. We're waiting
John
on
made 70 to 75.
Good.
This is Christina. I can't help Miss Jackie right now. I'm sorry. I'm running this event. But you might have to help her. She just needs to log in using her Zoom account and get in using the link that she has. Or go to her receipt and find the original link that she got when she put your signals. Yeah, my apologies. Bridget Gullidge is in 72 out 76.
Good. You guys are doing your thing. Okay.
Even with all this, they would still be up. Mrs. Sandra took a small loss. She said was trying to get out.
Okay. Don't get discouraged. If you took a loss, it's okay. Sounds like you're determining your risk tolerance.
Yeah. And White has 73 to 83.
Good.
Gerald was in at 73 out of 72. How did that happen? Is it that you didn't set your limit order properly? Tracy Pound 70 to 76.
Okay. Good.
Someone is asking if we're still in on the 622 strike price for put.
Well, we haven't had another entry on QQQ, so we're waiting for another entry before we jump back in. We're probably going to be going in the call direction on the next one. So the 622, that trade is over. Well, it's still active. If there's someone still in that trade, let me know. But we've already closed out that trade, and looks like the next trade we're going to get in is going to be going in the opposite direction. But we don't have today. We're going to do some safer trades. We're not going to do any risky trades. Some of the trades we did yesterday were, even though it was a great day, they were a little more risky. So I wanted people to kind of get their feet wet, get in, get a couple of trades knocked out. Today we're going to play it a little we're going to play a little safer today. So we're not going to do anything unless that signal is letting us know to jump in. And I just haven't seen anything so far on the QQQ. I see Apple for a call, but Apple is very bearish right now and is very bearish on the longer charts. So we're not going to take any risk with Apple right now, and probably won't take any trades on Apple today because it's the QQQ or the SPY is going to give us everything we need today. We're going to try to get at least two good trades out today before I have to take off and do some traveling today. And we've already had a very successful day. So remember, if you're already up and you've made money, and I'm not telling you not to trade anymore, I'm just reminding everyone that every trade after your first successful trade is more risk. That's all I'm saying. I can't tell you to not trade. I mean, that goes against what we're doing. But I just want to, at the same time, let everyone know that sometimes the best trade is a trade you don't take. And if you're up, you've made money. If you do that every day for 365 days, you're going to be right where you need to be. So don't let trading turn into an addiction on you, which is counterproductive for someone who runs a signals thing. But I want to be very transparent and let people know that if you're up, you've made money, you can protect those profits by walking away. I feel like the cigarette companies, tobacco companies, where they put the label on the tobacco on the packs of cigarettes. Smoking is dangerous for your health. So I'm just letting everybody know if you got to win, and sounds like you guys had a nice win. It's okay to say, okay, all right, I'm gonna leave this alone and protect these profits and keep it moving. I'll see you tomorrow. That's up to you. And I know that some of you are, well, I paid $10. I want to at least get back my $10. It's more important that you develop consistency, listening, following instructions, and executing than it is trying to make up the $10 that you are in this for, right? I know that sounds crazy, but at some point, many of you have heard me talk about intersections where one thing intersects another, and then it becomes all profit after that. So if you're able to control, your exuberance, and you made some money today, you may not have made the $10. You may have. Some of you are putting thousands of dollars down. Remember, it don't ever feel like you have to trade. Just say, well, I'm going to get up, I'm going to trade, whether it's signals or otherwise, and just get to trade, make it all about the trade. Okay, we're going to set up for a call on QQQ. Looks like we could be getting something here. Okay.
A call, you said?
Yes, ma'am, a call.
Oh, okay. Which one?
Looks like we're going to go with the six. Let me see if that 625 works for us here. Let you guys know 625.76. I'm looking for one that has. Let's go with that 625 call. That's a nice, affordable position to get into. Mm-hmm. Okay. We take our time. We want to get at least one more win today. And we have a shortened signals day today. Okay, keep doing what I want you to do here. Waiting for it to bleed out again and get in a perfect position to take advantage of. Now we could always pull the rabbit out the hat, the Miss Ortiz trade where you just jump in and know you're going to land on the trade. We're waiting on a signal. And we can see that premium went from 48 to 54, back down to 51. And if you're looking at the premium for that, you can see it's kind of doing a little bit of everything. And you're probably wondering why we just don't jump in. because when it turns against you, QQQ, it'll go down 15 cents. So you got to make sure that you have a strong signal uh, before you just jump in on it. Okay. And we got about 32 minutes, so we got enough time to get this trade. This is my third trade today. All three have been successful. So I've had a good day so far. Okay, this thing is all over the place here.
Right.
Okay.
Folks, if you look in your Zoom at the bottom of your screen, you should click more and then you'll see resources and then you'll see trading demos. It wants you to click it. Those trading demos will help you all get in and out of positions. We can't teach, but we have prepared something that we can help you with. Trading demos, you should click resources and then you'll see it. If you can't see resources, click more first and then you'll see resources.
I keep getting forex signals here. Okay. This may change up on us. This may turn into a put. Now I know that you're looking at this. I know you've seen the premium go to 48 to 57 or 59. It's not as easy as just jumping in when you see something. And I know that when you're looking at it because it's primed, you're thinking, I should have just jumped in. We're going to switch up and we're going to go with a put now. Okay. And we're going to go with the 623 put. And I just missed that position because I was running my mouth, but it's okay. It's okay. That was a lovely put right there. You see how that switched up and went from a call to a put, and then gave us a wonderful put opportunity, but I missed it. It was just
have you missed it already?
Yeah, I've missed it already. I know the premium's going up. I get that, but the next candle could be a big green candle and take us down $10 on our $10 per contract. So the actual signal was at 1024. It was a money signal, and I know that premium's still going up, but I'm waiting for a stronger signal. I just missed that one because I was looking on the put side. But it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay.
So we're staying with this call signal.
We're staying with the put. We're staying with the put.
Okay.
The 623 put.
Okay.
Okay, I'm getting in right now on the 623 put at 84. Trying to get out at 85. I'm getting out at 88. Oh wow, lovely. So I got in at 84. I got out at 88. So if you're still, it's hard to. Did you get in and out?
At 87.
Okay. Yep, 84. Got out at 88.
I'm down.
Are you okay?
Because I think I chased that trade. I shouldn't have.
Okay, it looks you're still okay. You're still okay. What's it trading at now? Let me go back and
87 to 88. I need to get out at 88, so it's right at my.
Okay.
It's 85, 86. All right, I just got out.
Oh, you got out with a win?
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome.
So we're
having a good day. That's two. It took us a while. It seems like it's taken forever, but we've had two successful trades. Now it's starting to go red. Everyone should be able to get out of the position now. So you can
Yeah,
see
it's
that was a
98. Oh boy,
yeah,
but it's
that was a
fast.
precision signal. We waited. We didn't just jump into it because the premium was going the direction that we wanted it to go. We just took our time. We were very patient. Now, what is it, a dollar or something? I mean, it's got to be up there
Yeah, it's
now.
a dollar three.
Yeah. So I got in at
What's
83.
your
It's a dollar oh 03. So this is what Global Signals is all about. So everybody should have had a good day today.
dollar
Everyone,
five?
yeah, yeah. So that was a
That was
wonderful.
a
That was beautiful.
25% win in 1 minute or less.
Yeah, that was beautiful. That was
Mhm.
beautiful. So we're going to close it down right there and we can answer some questions. We got two great trades today. I'd like to get some information from you guys on percentages, losses, wins. Someone asked their team leader for me to let them know when I'm getting in a position, a better setup on a position. I tried that today. You have to understand when you're trading QQQ or you're trading the SPY, things move really fast. You can see how we went from a put to a call, executed, got in, made some money, but it changed in the blink of an eye. And that's normal for QQQ. That's normal for SPY. That's just how fast these things work. We're trading the fastest companies. QQQ is the fastest company. So we'll open up could you do some polls, Mrs.
Sure.
Crystal? Yeah.
Yes. All right. Let's see if we can get this post going. All right. I'll stop sharing my screen. While I get that done, do you all have any questions? Raise your hand so I could give you all the ability to talk. Um,
Is there anyone still in this position? If you are, you probably want to get out now. We got our first pre-trigger. So hopefully everyone got in and out, made some money. That was a wonderful opportunity to make 25%. So we're gonna wait for some feedback and we're gonna do it for about 20 minutes and I gotta get out of here. But today was a perfect day to trade, just a perfect trading day.
mhm. Just
Well,
waiting for
oh,
poll
sure,
bot. The thing that
sure.
can read what you all say in the chat. It's joining. It's taking its time. Just give us a minute. Any questions? Raise your hands if you all have questions. We have 30 minutes to take questions.
Had a great day of trading, moved over some money to Bitcoin and moved over some money to my spending account. It was a wonderful day. I'm finished for the day. I can do some running around, so I'm not even when I step away, that'll be my trading for the day. But we still have some time to answer some questions, go over some numbers, some concerns, or anything. Today was a beautiful day. It's been a beautiful week so far in signals.
We're
Okay.
still waiting 1 minute. 1 second, sorry. All right. See, the bot is here. And then let's see.
And while we're waiting for the bot, it's very important to understand that what we saw today, I know you guys were keyed in on a position, so you were watching the premium go all over the place. You cannot just jump in because the premium's going up. You have to wait for the signal. So I saw that I think one premium went from 47 to 60, and I still didn't call it because it's all about making sure that the trades are as close to being perfect as possible. When you just jump in on a trade, it could go either way. So you want to make sure that the signal is premium. You want to make sure that the signal has a greater probability of going in a direction that you think it's going to go in so that you can just cash in and cash out. And if you can see that pre-trigger was money on this last one because it's done nothing but go up. If we were still trading, I would be getting in a position for a put, but we're finished. I want to get some feedback and That always helps us. Feedback helps tremendously.
All right. Just bear with me, folks.
Looks like Mrs. Cowan needs help. Wait a minute, Miss Cowan. What's going on, Miss Cowan? You can tell me in the chat.
I only see one person with their hand up, Joanne.
Yeah, I think Mrs. Cowan is probably one of those positions where the help is, it's just happening right now. So there's a lot of panic or whatever. So just let me know what's going on. Mrs. Cisco's asked me, how do I know what number you're getting in on? Mrs. Cisco, we're not teaching in the signals. We're just really just trading, right? So you should have a series of videos. If you watch those videos, you will know exactly how we choose the option contract.
Okay. In the chat, type A, B, C, or D to respond. Right.
Mrs. Collins, if you're trading with Webull, you just go to your main page and see if you have any positions open. You'll see it'll say open position. If you're trading Robinhood, it's the same thing. You'll see where it'll say options. You'll have something under options. If you don't have anything under options, then you don't have a position open. If you don't have anything under my positions in Webull, you don't have anything open. I will remind everyone to watch those videos because these are all the things that we went over in those videos. It's about 10, 12 hours of videos to prepare you to trade. For those of you who are listening on social media, when you sign up for just one class, you'll get a playlist of videos to watch. In the playlist, about 12 hours, you'll have all your questions will be answered about the execution of trades. How do I pick contracts? Which contracts do I pick? Why do we do these things? So all of those things are answered in those videos. I know those videos seem tedious, but take your time to watch them because once you get this, you'll be able to make money every day, as you can see from today. So don't let the doubt start to settle in on the second day. People made money. There's people here that made money yesterday and today. So this is DLTC Global Signals, but you do have a responsibility to watch those videos because that's where a lot of these questions, that's where you'll find the answers.
Yep. Help me all this time. Help me type type the letter that corresponds with your answer. There's some glitch on the last poll, but this one is working. Type your answer. If you typed it once, type it again for us, please. Choose the letter that corresponds with whether it's A, B, C, or D. That will help us. Are you seeing the results, Mr. T?
I am seeing the results, yeah. 82% of the folks had one trade and 7% had two trades. 18%. So once we close these out, we can ask some questions.
If you didn't trade, choose option D. Don't choose option A.
Yeah.
If you lost both, then choose option A. See, that's how it goes.
It's very important to get some information from the folks that lost. If you lost today, then we certainly
need a little moment of shock because I just read your text and I thought you were at Whole Foods.
Miss Joan, I think you're
I'm sorry.
No problem. I was just nosy.
I didn't know we could do that.
Oh gosh. All right. So all right, thanks for giving us some results. So if you lost both trades, choose option A. If you didn't trade at all, choose option D. Now I know, Mr. Cedar, some people who chose option B may have only made one trade and they won it. So I don't know.
Okay. So I'm curious about the people who traded once. Why did you trade once?
All right. So let's do a new poll. We could do that. And then you all write the responses, but not yet. Let's just get some so we could see it. All right, so y'all seen how I make my polls? All right, let's see. right. Okay. So, write in the Zoom chat why you only traded once so we can see what you all have said. If you all have already written why you traded once, just copy and paste it. Yeah, into the call.
Okay. Okay, those are good
Did you see that?
reasons.
Late to the
Yeah,
call. They came
yeah,
late.
yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, we got some good reasons. That's good.
First
Late to
trade,
work.
too
Okay.
fast. The order didn't fill. Okay.
Okay, this is
They're
the
late.
first
They had
sign.
work.
Okay. That's good stuff.
Not enough buying power. Okay. Those are reasonable reasons, Mr.
Yeah,
P.
absolutely. I'm very,
Look
very
got in the
impressed with
way.
those reasons. Didn't want to chase it. That's very good. That's very good to hear. Not you're not chasing, you're being patient in your trades. That's very good. I see Miss Rosemary won both trades. Congratulations, Miss Rosemary. I know we had quite a few folks that won on both trades, and that's excellent. That's really good. I'm happy for you, of course. But really, very thankful that people didn't chase, that people didn't try to double dip on the same trade.
Double
That's
dip.
called chasing momentum. We see Miss Sandra went in on a lower contract. Maybe the velocity didn't reach down into that far into the chain. But these are really, really, really good responses. Absolutely. Didn't want to chase. That's really good stuff. That's really good stuff. Now I know most of you worked, I mean not worked, most of you won on both trades. Uh, when you won on both trades, did you feel anxious like I need to get more trades in? Has anyone felt that since we stopped about 10 minutes ago?
Oh
That's
gosh, I
very
gotta make another poll.
okay.
Hold on.
Okay, good.
So what's your
Good.
question?
My question was, did you feel anxious to trade, have more trades, or to continue trading after we closed out signals today? And be honest, guys. The only way we can really use this information is if you're honest. If you're still fiending for more trades, we need to know so we can address that. Okay,
All
I
right,
say
just
yeah.
don't vote yet, folks. Let's go. All right. Did you want to trade more after a second trade? Were you fiending? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Oh, see
Were you
that
itching?
yes popped up fast. Okay.
Were you all itching? Got any more of those trades over there? Wow. Overwhelmingly is.
Yeah, yeah. I want to talk about that for a second.
Overwhelmingly
Yeah.
is. Is, yeah.
Yeah, we can see. We know you guys like trading. Yeah, and I'm glad you're being very honest. Yesterday we had 7 trades. Today only had 2 trades because, like I said, I have to travel. But when we look at the quality of those trades today, those are really great trades. Everything was on the money today. So we're going to show up every day. We're going to trade every day, Monday through Friday. We're going to expand into Forex. I just want everybody to start to really understand the framework of trading. The framework of trading just means that you have some control over your trading, that you don't let it become an addiction. That doesn't mean that you can't trade 10 times. It just means that you have to look at trading as a tool that's going to help you get to where you want to get to. Not don't get caught up in the making the money. I know some of y'all made some money today because I know how much y'all trade with. But when it's over, walk away. Right? And everyone has to heed that, even myself, because I like trading too. I love trading. When signals is over and you've made money, pack it up, be thankful and grateful, and walk away and just get ready for the next day. That's called framework. That means you're putting trading in its proper perspective. And if you don't allow it to sort of run wild and take over, then what you'll do is it'll become more clinical. You show up every day, you win, and you go on about your business. If we can just help you do that 1 year in a row, consecutively, you're going to be in a position where you want to be in. And you're not going to, that feeling that you have that you need more, you want more, that will slowly start to dissipate as your account grows. So you won't feel like, you won't be fiending for more trades. So that's normal. And I'm very happy and thankful that you guys were very honest. We can see 80% of you are like, I want more trades. So everybody had a great day today. Even there's a few of you that maybe took some losses today, go back and review everything. Be honest with yourselves. Say, well, I lost because I was a little too slow. I lost because I wasn't focused. I was trying to get my coffee. Who knows? There's about 1,000 different reasons. But when we come back tomorrow, just come back fresh and say, okay, yesterday was yesterday, today is today. I'm going to try to control myself today. I'm going to try to do a better job of focus today. I'm not going to question. I'm just going to do my best to follow instructions, listen, follow instructions, and execute. And I know that we only have 3 days left in this week, but in January, this is what we will do every day, 5 days a week. So we're going to use this week to get sort of the nervousness out of you. And by the time this is over, we got 2 weeks until next month. So we're just trying to I'm getting some training too, even though I trade every day. You're getting some training, getting ready for next year. So look at it like that. And just understand what we're trying to do is help you get to the point to where you're happy with even if it's one trade, you're like, okay, I won some money, I made some money. I'm okay. If it's over, it's over. I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna walk away. Tomorrow I'll be back and I'll make some more money tomorrow. Even if we trade one trade or we trade 50 trades, you still have to have that same attitude. And when you walk away, you really have to walk away. Because right now, I think pretty much everybody made money today, with maybe a few exceptions. You don't want to jeopardize that money. That's profit. That's called profit. So thank you, Mrs. Crystal, for putting this question up, because we can see how addictive trading is, right? 80%. He's like, no, I want to trade some more. I'm just getting started.
80% crackhead.
Yeah. She says that in a loving way. But if you're not careful, option trading can become very similar to crack. I've never smoked crack. I've never shot up crack. I don't do drugs. But I've known quite a few crackheads. And once that addiction takes you over, you'll just run with it. I was addicted to alcohol, so I know what addiction feels like. You don't want to let it get to that point. You just want to contain it, make it about making money, make it about every day treating the markets like an ATM and walking away. You don't get money out of an ATM and then hang at the ATM all day. You get your money, get your butt on. So we want trading to become like that for you. Mm-hmm. All right. You got anything, Mrs. Crystal?
No, any more polls needed?
I will just have one last poll. Are you having a great time so far? Yes or no? And we'll see.
Okay. We'll see. And y'all can be honest.
Yeah, be honest.
Be anonymous. Hold on. Don't say yes yet. Don't say yes yet. Don't vote. Don't vote yet. I'm trying to. Just a minute. All right. Okay, so we're going to have this one here. And we're going to say, are you enjoying signals? Are you having a great time? All right. Yes. No. And then there we go. So vote A or B, yes or no. Whether you're having a good time or whether you're having a tough time, let us know. If there's anything that we can help you with emotionally, your experience here trading, let us know. You don't feel pressure to say yes. It's completely fine to say no. Let us know. We want to know.
Good. So everybody's having a great time. That's good.
Let's see a hand up. Let's see. Ann White, you have a question? Vote in the chat, y'all.
Yes,
let us know.
I do. Are you using a special setting on your Robinhood? Because all through the execution, everything, my Robinhood doesn't look the same as yours.
Oh, that's weird. I'm using default everything. What's different?
Okay, so I will email you what the difference is. I actually screenshot it.
Okay. Are you able to? Okay. So what you're going to do is send me a screenshot of it?
Yeah, I think I will.
Okay. Sounds fine. I didn't set up anything special on Robinhood. I have no special settings to speak of. I'm using default settings for everything. I'm on options level 2. I'm on a cash account. I don't trade crypto. I don't have futures enabled. I don't have events contracts enabled, just options trading and hard shares trading, and everything else is on default. Well, yes, I'm on Android, if that helps. If you're on Apple, then the interface could be a little different.
I'm on an iPhone.
Okay, well, that's probably why. Are you able to do everything you mean to do?
Okay.
On Robinhood, are you able to execute?
Yeah, but I actually went over the videos multiple times. You know, when after you swipe up and you put the order in, you have a button at the top that you can go back. I don't have that button. It just says edit.
Wait a minute. You said that I said that you can go back, but you can't go back?
No, you didn't say. I'm just looking at your phone platform. You have a button that goes back in I don't have that button. There's a little arrow at the top that you can push to go to the screen before. I don't actually have that. So that's why I was wondering if you have a special setting.
No, I don't remember an arrow being at the top. I have an arrow at the bottom of my phone, which is an Android feature. I know that iPhones sometimes don't have back buttons, but I don't know how you'll go back on an iPhone. I have no clue. I don't know how do you go back to the previous screen on an iPhone? And how do you go back to the previous screen on an iPhone?
I can't. That's why I'm wondering, how do I get that button?
Yeah, that's weird. Well, you get that button by getting an Android.
No, I have an Apple. I have an Apple, and I trade Robinhood and Webull. So if you I can't answer today because I'm traveling today, but you can send it to Mrs. Crystal, and you can also send it to me. It'd be better if we had a video of it. That is the best way to look at it. But whatever you can send us, we'll certainly take a look at it.
Yeah.
I'll video it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
I trade with both of those bad boys.
Thank you.
Should be able to help you. All right, guys, I got to get out of here. Oh, you're very welcome. My bad. You're very welcome. I got to get out of here, guys. I got to get on the road here. Thanks for stopping by. It's been a wonderful day. It's been a great day. It's been 2 great days of trading. We're some of you guys are 9-0. I'm 8-1. So I got to let that loss go. I made money, so I don't know why I'm tripping on it. But it's been a wonderful week so far. We still got 3 days. I'm looking forward to Friday because of those 1-day expirations. We may have to, I think we'll probably get quite a few trades in on Friday, but we're not going to jeopardize any of the profit that we've made thus far this week. We're just going to show up, make our money, and go on about our business and enjoy our weekend.
Yes, indeed. All right, everyone. Thank you all for coming through. Thank you, Mr. T, for a wonderful set of signals today.
Thank you, man. Have a great day.
Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful rest of your day. As we'll see you all tomorrow for signals. Take care. Bye-bye.